Hi guys, it's me, Jill. I'm back with another clothing haul. These are the last two packages that I got from Poshmark during my Poshmark binge of sourcing. If I could speak today, that would be good. All right, um, this is actually the second time I've done this video, and so I am feeling a little tired, but I'm going to get through it. Okay, so I'll go piece by piece. A lot of these are Anthropologie, and they came from that seller who only put stock photos, and so I was afraid it would be a box of rocks when it came, so I videotaped it as I opened it, and it wasn't a box of rocks, so I'm very psyched about that. Okay, they are mostly small and extra small, which I'm disappointed in because I can't wear some of these pieces. The first one I have is a maxi skirt. It's got this cute tie on the side. Um, I'm getting used to this because I'm using a new camera editor and it's flipped to the other side. So maybe I will turn it like this. And the print is really cute. It is leaves and some kind of like watercolor in the background or flowers, something. And I will show you the rest of the skirt. This is pretty much the reason that I ordered from this lady, because she had some really great anthro pieces. And when I'm not using my or wearing my usual black and gray and brown, I really like these kind of like hippie clothes, and so I ordered a lot of them. This is a similar maxi dress. It also has this leaf pattern and the kind of polka dots in the back. It's got this contrasting strap, which is really cute, and just showing you that it is a maxi, and I think it's small. Most of this stuff is small. Oh, this is the one I wasn't sure about because I couldn't really read the tag. Oh, it's got stripes on the bottom. Love that. All right. So it's 100% something. I'm guessing cotton, by the way that the material feels. The next piece is my favorite because I love tie-dye. And so this is an All Saints piece, and it's a bodysuit. Again, small, I'm pretty sure. Let's see the tag. It is I don't see the tag with the size, but it's 80% cotton and 20% polyester. Polyester seems to be my lot in life, so I'm not surprised there. I've got a lot of pieces in polyester. This piece is from Madewell, and it's super stretchy. It's got this surplice, not really sure, um, cut in the front with a cute little bow. And this piece is small. Pretty sure it's polyester, but we'll look and see. Okay. I'm not seeing the materials. Oh, 97% polyester and 3% elastane. So at least it's stretchy, but it is polyester. The next piece I think is larger, although I don't think I found the size on it. It's kind of like a maxi dress. I think this one is rayon. But it's got this really cool flower in the front. I don't think I found the tag on this either. It does feel like cotton. Just really light and flowy. Yep, this one I don't have the size on, but it is larger, so I'm thinking like large, or if you want it to be flowy, maybe medium, something like that. Here is another dress from Anthropologie. It's got that crisscross front, and let me try to show you the pattern a little bit more. It's green with this cool floral pattern. Let's see, is it polyester? I'm thinking it's polyester. We'll see. I'm really excited about the polyester. Oh, this one is rayon, viscose and rayon. Besides polyester, rayon is my least favorite fabric because it wrinkles so much, and I am just lazy and I don't like to steam or iron things, so I really don't buy much rayon. This one's another Anthropologie piece. It's got like some, I don't know if you call this ribbing in the front, but there's a seam in the front. This kind of reminds me of when I was doing LuLaRoe, and there was a piece like this. I don't think it was the Julia. It was something like this. If you did LuLaRoe, let me know if you know what this style of dress is. I think it was the Nicole, because look at the waist, and it kind of flares out at the bottom. Pretty sure it was the Nicole, which I did not sell very much of. Okay, this one is a sleeveless turtleneck. I think this is called jacquard. You can see it's almost got like some stitching, some embroidery on it. It is a midi dress with a slit down the back. So really cool, but probably for fall. I love this skirt. This is also Anthropologie, but look at the print. It's got like little foxes on it. And I do love the colors because they are black and brown. Again, my favorite things to wear. These are interesting because I don't think I ordered these in the bundle, so maybe she just threw them in. But they are made well. They are some dark skinny jeans. And they are size, I want to say 27. Cotton, polyester, and spandex. So they are stretchy. And the size is 27. So at least I learned some things about these clothes when I did the prior video tape. Okay, so this is Anthropologie. This is a super comfy V-neck sweater, and I think it's made of wool and alpaca. It is so soft. I would love to wear this, but it is an extra small. Yep, so here's that sweater. Pretty basic sweater, but again, in my favorite brown. These are Anthropologie. They are little shorts, and they are a size small. Let me hold them up so you can see the print. A little leopard print with orange and black. All right, the next piece is Madewell, and it's a shirt dress. It has buttons down the front. It feels kind of like flannel. I'll show you the print. It's like almost like a little floral print with polka dots on it. So let's see. I think cotton. Oh, I like this little, like on the inside it has a little grid pattern. I wonder if this is, no, this can't be reversible. Okay, 100% cotton. See, I'm getting a little bit better at this. So I like that piece. This one is floral. It's not my style, but it is another turtleneck piece. And again, this reminds me of the Nicole because the seam is in the middle of it and then the dress comes out. I think it's a midi. It doesn't quite feel like a maxi. I'm not going to look at the fabric tag on that. Okay, this is Madewell, a little V-neck sweater, very simple. Oh, you do have the crisscross in the front. Surplus, who knows. And this one is nylon and wool, alpaca, and elastane. So it is very stretchy. We like that. And a Madewell piece, Madewell. And you can see the front. You got the surplus going again. And then like a little knot in the front. And this is an extra small. And let me guess, it's some polyester. We'll see. Polyester, elastane. At least it's stretchy. All right, the next piece is a Maeve piece, which is Anthropology. And I love the bow in the front. It is a shirt dress, so you have buttons all the way down. And it's kind of like, it kind of flares out like a tunic. The sleeves are just regular shirt dress sleeves. Thought it had like bell sleeves or something. Okay, the next dress I find interesting because it's a little bit see-through. A little bit. Okay, so let me figure this out. Okay, so I think this is the front. And you'd have to wear like a little cami with it. Again, I think this is jacquard material. And you can see the pattern. And it does have a little bow in the back, so that's cute. I'll show you the bow. Doo-doo-doo. All right, next we have a bikini, which is Anthropology. You can see the bottoms, the little contrasting print. This is size 10. This seems small for a size 10, but who knows. And then it is a strapless bikini top that goes with it. It's a little bit different from the bottoms, which I like. You can see the print. Okay, so that's cool. Next, we have a Madewell top. Again, it's a V-neck, and it's got that surplus or surplice or supplice crisscross at the front. If someone could correct me on the pronunciation of that, that would be really awesome. It's kind of marbled or marled. Ooh. Oh, I know what this is. This is just a simple garage top with a little pocket in the front. Again, this is a piece I think I threw in my cart just to make it like a little bigger order, so it was worth the shipping. And this last piece, my daughter threw on my bed because she rejected it. This is a piece that I picked up, I think at Goodwill. It's a mustard piece with this cool yoke on it. It's eyelet, super cute, with the ruffle on the bottom. And this is a Cat and Jack piece. It is extra large, so a 14-16. in girls' dresses. And it's 100% cotton, so it would be really comfy and nice during the summer. Okay, that's it. All I have from this part of my haul. And I think that this is quality enough to make my haul worth it. My average cost of goods, my average price was $6, I think. And I'm hoping that these pieces will bring in a higher price so it makes it worth it. Um, anyway, that's all I have. I was thinking about doing some hauls that were just from my closet. I have about 300 pieces in my closet, and I thought about like batching them up in like floral or dresses or jeans or something, so people could see those and just, if they like anything, they could reach out. Reach out on Instagram. That's where you'll find me. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching this haul, and hopefully I save it correctly this time, because I'm not doing it a third time. That's just not going to happen. So anyway, I hope you come back for the next one, and I am out.